Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss worksheet number 7 for class 10 for the date 22 July 2021. Students, this worksheet is about few and little, and I hope you have already read about few, little, many, much. So here we are going to discuss and we are going to learn about few, which has other references also when we add an article with it. Now the basic difference between few and little, both means in less amount, right? Few का भी मतलब होता है कम quantity, थोड़ा सा. Little also means थोड़ा. Now few is used with countable nouns, the things that we can count. We use few with them. Like I have few friends. Not enough good friends. Few friends. Few means कम friends, बहुत थोड़े friends. And little is used with uncountable nouns. There is little sugar in the jar. There is little milk in the bottle, which we cannot count. We can count the number of bottles, but we cannot count the milk in the bottle, or we cannot count the sugar in the bottle, right? So little is used with uncountable nouns, and few is used with countable nouns. Like there are few students in the class. Now both refers to like few refers to a small number and little refers to a small amount. Now few means virtually none or almost zero, and little means not much. Little means थोड़ा कुछ है. Few means बहुत ही कम, like almost none, बिल्कुल ना के बराबर जो होता है. Okay. So now we have these 12 sentences which we have to do, and we are supposed to now discuss these sentences. Let us discuss, students. Now yeah. You made dash mistakes. Well done. Now mistakes can be counted, right? So here it will come few. He had dash money when he shifted to Delhi. He cannot afford much. So he had little money. Although we can count money, but money is counted as uncountable noun. Students, now I write F and L in front of the blank. It was extremely hot and she had dash water left in her bottle. She had little water because we cannot count the water. The bus service isn't very good at night. There are few buses after 10 o'clock. Obviously we can count the number of buses. There were dash people in the metro train, so we easily got a seat. Again we can count the number of people, so it will come as few. F. Okay, let me erase it. Hurry up, we have got little time before the train leaves. Of course, time cannot be counted. Last year the city received little rain. Few buildings in the city have rainwater harvesting facilities. Now rain cannot be counted and buildings can be counted. Some desert animals live underground. They spend dash time in the sun. Again time cannot be counted, so L will come here. There is dash that you can do about the situation. There is little you can do about the situation. There are few people she really trusts. Again people can be counted. It is a bit sad. Arun enjoys painting. He has little interest in learning music. She has few days left to prepare for her exam. So students, I hope you will enjoy doing this worksheet and do it fast and send it across to your respective teachers.